Wondering how to develop self-worth? I recommend using affirmations. Watch this video to learn how you can use affirmations to inspire yourself and develop self-worth. As always, if you like this video, hit the like button below, subscribe, and hit that bell button to make sure you never miss another tip again. My name is Jamie Hammond. I'm a certified life coach, and this is Speak, Grow, Rise, where I share tips to help seekers just like you identify, allow, and transform to love themselves and live the life they want. Today, we're talking about the power of affirmations and how they can relate to your self-worth, self-esteem, and inspire you to make esteemable choices you're proud of. Okay, so I gotta say, the concept of affirmations has come in and out of my life a few different times. And so if you're like, this again, affirmations again, that means low-key, you're in the right place. Just like how I was when I finally listened to how this can help me. Now, we're not going to talk about affirmations in this video as they relate to the law of attraction. That's a different video. I just want to talk about how I use affirmations in a practical sense and how affirmations can help you develop self-worth. So grab your pen and let's get started. Step 1, think about how you want to see yourself. What do you want to believe about yourself? Now, note I'm not saying who do you want to be. I'm saying what do you want to believe about yourself? How do you want to feel when you think about yourself? Start writing down some beliefs and feelings you'd like to have about yourself. And start writing these sentences starting with, I want. We'll use some of the tough topics as examples. So I want to love my body, or I want to believe I'm worthy of money, or I want to feel like I deserve a loving, joyful, pleasurable relationship. I want to believe I am successful. I want to see myself as attractive. So remember, I want and what you want to believe. Step 2, take a moment to notice how this makes you feel in the moment. This is just an important step whenever you do any kind of tough work like this. How do you feel when you think about how you want to see yourself? How does it feel in your body? Name those feelings, and if you can, describe them. So do they feel warm and positive, or do you feel sadness, anxiety, fear, or resistance? Remember, anything you feel belongs here. So take a moment to remind yourself that your feelings belong and honor those feelings as they are. Step 3, think about how you would feel if you believed those things about yourself. So for example, if you believed that you love your body as it is, how would you feel? Would you feel joy, peace, calm? Write down the words that describe how you would feel if you believed these things about yourself. What about you? Do you use affirmations? Share one of yours in the comments. Step 5, write the affirmations. Now, take a moment to act as if you already believe and feel these things, and write 1 or 2 sentences that shows gratitude for these beliefs and feelings as if you already have them in the present. So continuing with one of the examples that I used earlier, I would write, thank you for helping me see unique ways to love myself and my body as it is. Thank you for the feeling of peace I get, knowing that my body is doing enough just by keeping me alive. Write your affirmations in a way that inspire you to feel what you want to feel and are also in the present tense as if you already live them. Step 6, repeat the affirmation every day. So you can do this by writing it, by reading it, saying it out loud, singing it, whatever you need to do to make this affirmation a habit. And step 7, reinforce the affirmation whenever you notice it in your life. When you start to repeat the affirmation every day, even if you don't believe it in the beginning, you'll start to notice your mindset shift in the direction of this affirmation. That's because when you focus on the affirmation, you give yourself a feeling to focus on and start behaving toward. When you notice yourself moving toward believing this affirmation, whether in your thoughts or in your behaviors, repeat it to yourself and thank yourself for believing it. Reinforce the affirmation by acknowledging it and honoring it when it shows up in your day-to-day. Use these steps to create affirmations that inspire the self-worth you want and deserve to feel. Affirmations are only one of the activities that you do in my Ignite program. My whole Ignite workbook includes over 60 made-for-you worksheets that include what we talked about in this video and more. Interested in learning more about how you can make lasting change for a life you love? Sign up for my email list and get a free download of my 5-minute fire starter, where you'll get a quick Ignite worksheet, and you'll also get emails and updates from me and notifications whenever I drop a video. If you enjoyed these tips, please like this video and subscribe so that you never miss another Speak, Grow, Rise tip again. And check out my other videos for more tips on how to ignite your life. See you in the next video.